Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2011 FC Hyundai i30 CRDI wagon. This shape ran from the second month 2009 to the fourth month 2012. This vehicle is fitted with a D4FB 1.6 litre turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch factory steel wheels. Left front has a good tyre. I have the left-hand power door mirror. Left-hand front door appears to have no damage. Left-hand rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 15-inch steel wheels. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Has a tidy rear bumper cover and a tow bar cutout. Right-hand tail light. Factory 15-inch steel wheels. Right rear has a good tyre. Right-hand rear door appears to have no damage. And we have the right-hand front door. A 15-inch factory steel wheel. Right front has a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. Has a tidy center console lid. Tidy gear stick. Tidy handbrake lever. Tidy manual transmission center console. Standard factory AC controls. Single stack CD player. Interior mirror. Has a tidy left hand sun visor. Tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder. Tidy right hand sun visor. Tidy manual transmission instrument cluster. Also has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel with steering wheel controls. Also have the driver's power window master switch. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.